Hey there, coffee enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Coffee Maker, the latest innovation in brewing technology. This sleek and modern coffee maker is not just your ordinary Java machine, it's a smart appliance designed to elevate your coffee experience to new heights. Let's start with its Wi-Fi-enabled capabilities. With the free Atomi Smart app or voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you have complete control over your brew. Whether you want to turn the coffee maker on/off, adjust brew strength, or set schedules, it's all at your fingertips, or rather, your voice command. But that's not all. The customization features of this coffee maker truly stand out. You can tweak the brew strength with 2 flavor options, regular or strong, catering to your taste preferences. Plus, with programmable timers, you can wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning, set directly from the app or the control panel. Brewing features? Check. This coffee maker offers an adjustable brew range of 2 to 12 cups, ensuring you have the perfect amount every time. And with the automatic pause and serve feature, you can sneak a cup mid-brew without any mess. Now, let's talk about sustainability. Atomi Smart Coffee Maker is crafted with eco-friendly materials, including a spill-free sensor that only brews when the carafe is in place, reducing waste. The reusable filter and glass carafe further minimize environmental impact. And when it comes to customer service, Atomi Smart goes above and beyond. With a 5-year limited warranty and a professional service team available 24/7, you can brew with peace of mind. In conclusion, the Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Coffee Maker is not just a coffee maker, it's a brewing companion that combines convenience, customization, and sustainability in one sleek package. Say goodbye to mundane coffee routines and hello to the future of brewing. Cheers to great coffee. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.